What is she doing?
She's sifting flour.
What is he doing?
He's slicing bread.
What is he doing?
He's peeling an apple.
What is she doing?
She's kneading dough.
What is she doing?
She's cracking an egg.
What is she doing?
She's washing dishes.
What is she doing?
She's sewing a button.
What is she doing?
She's wiping her mouth.
What is she doing?
She's applying sunscreen.
What is he doing?
He's scrubbing the floor.
What is she doing?
She's watering plants.
What is she doing?
She's doing her homework.
What is she doing?
She's greasing a dish.
What is she doing?
She's pouring juice.
What is he doing?
He's rolling up his sleeves.
What is he doing?
He's shouting in the megaphone.
What is he doing?
He's removing tiles.
What is he doing?
He's pumping air into the tire.
What is she doing?
She's fastening her seat belt.
What is he doing?
He's refueling a car.
What is he doing?
He's parking the car.
What is he doing?
He's turning the steering wheel.
What is she doing?
She's learning to drive.
What is he doing?
He's washing a car.
What is she doing?
She's scraping the snow.
What is he doing?
He's polishing the car.
What is she doing?
She's cutting a piece of cake.
What is he doing?
He's slicing carrots.
What is he doing?
He's grating cheese.
What is she doing?
She's washing vegetables.
What is she doing?
She's marinating the meat.
What is she doing?
She's chopping an onion.
What is she doing?
She's peeling an orange.
What is she doing?
She's blending juice.
What is she doing?
She's pouring water.